Owning a car is great. It gives you freedom. The freedom to go wherever you want, whenever you want. Whether it's a road trip with friends, a quick run to the grocery store, or a daily commute to work, your car is your reliable companion. But owning a car also comes with responsibility. It's not just about driving. It's about ensuring that your vehicle is in top condition. This means regular checkups and understanding your car's needs. You need to take care of your car. Routine maintenance is essential. It involves checking the engine, brakes, tires, and other critical components to ensure everything is functioning properly. This is called car maintenance. Regular oil changes, tire rotations, and brake inspections are just a few examples of the tasks involved. Think of your car like your body. You eat healthy food, you exercise. This keeps you healthy. Similarly, your car needs the right fuel, regular checkups, and proper care to stay in good shape. Just like your body, your car needs care to run well. Regular inspections can catch small issues before they become big problems. Car maintenance keeps your car running smoothly. It ensures that your vehicle performs at its best, providing you with a safe and comfortable ride. It also helps you avoid costly repairs. Preventive maintenance is much cheaper than fixing major issues that arise from neglect. It's better to prevent problems than to fix them later. Regular maintenance can save you from unexpected breakdowns and expensive repairs. A little care can save you a lot of trouble down the road. By investing time and effort into maintaining your car, you ensure its longevity and reliability, making every journey a pleasant one. Oil is like the lifeblood of your car's engine. It keeps everything running smoothly. Over time, oil gets dirty and less effective. Regular oil changes are crucial. They remove the dirty oil. They replace it with fresh, clean oil. This helps your engine stay healthy. Check your owner's manual. Find out how often you should change your oil. Don't skip this important maintenance task. Your tires are your car's connection to the road. They are the only part of your vehicle that actually touches the ground, making them crucial for your car's overall performance and safety. Keeping them in good shape is essential for safety and performance. Regular inspections can help you catch issues before they become serious problems. Check your tire pressure regularly. Underinflated or overinflated tires can lead to uneven wear, poor handling, and even blowouts. Use a tire pressure gauge to ensure accuracy. Digital gauges are often more precise than analog ones. Make sure each tire is inflated to the correct pressure. Proper inflation improves fuel efficiency and ensures a smoother ride. You can find the recommended pressure in your owner's manual or on a sticker inside the driver's door. Tire rotation is also important. Rotating your tires helps distribute wear more evenly across all 4 tires. It ensures that your tires wear evenly, which can improve their lifespan and performance. This extends the life of your tires, saving you money in the long run. Again, your owner's manual will tell you how often to rotate them. Typically, it's recommended every 5,000 to 8,000 miles, but check your manual for specifics. Don't forget about tire balancing and alignment. These services ensure that your tires wear evenly and that your car handles properly. Properly balanced and aligned tires can prevent uneven wear and improve fuel efficiency. By taking these steps, you can ensure a safer, smoother ride and get the most out of your tires. Section 4. Keeping things flowing, checking and refilling fluids. In this section, we'll guide you through the essential steps to ensure your car's fluids are at optimal levels. Your car relies on various fluids to operate properly. Each fluid plays a crucial role in maintaining the performance and longevity of your vehicle. These fluids have different jobs. For instance, coolant is essential for regulating your engine's temperature. They keep your engine cool, preventing it from overheating and causing serious damage. Brake fluid is vital for your braking system. It ensures that your brakes respond promptly and effectively when you need to stop. Windshield washer fluid helps maintain clear visibility by cleaning your windshield, especially during adverse weather conditions. It's important to check your fluid levels regularly. Look under the hood and locate the various reservoirs. You'll find reservoirs for different fluids, each clearly labeled for easy identification. Make sure each fluid is at the correct level. Use a dipstick to check the oil level and ensure it's within the recommended range. If a fluid is low, top it off. Be careful not to overfill, as this can cause other issues. Use the correct type of fluid. Each fluid is formulated for specific functions, and using the wrong type can harm your vehicle. Your owner's manual will tell you which fluids to use. Always refer to it for the manufacturer's recommendations to keep your car running smoothly. Section 5. Stopping power. The importance of brake checks. Your brakes are your car's most important safety feature. They allow you to slow down and stop safely. Never take your brakes for granted. Have your brakes inspected regularly. A mechanic can check their condition. They'll make sure your brakes are in good working order. If you hear any strange noises when you brake, get it checked out immediately. Don't wait for a small problem to turn into a big one. Section 6. Cleanliness is next to carliness, inside and out. Keeping your car clean isn't just about appearances. It's also about protecting your investment. Wash your car regularly. This removes dirt, grime, and bird droppings. These things can damage your car's paint over time. Waxing your car provides a protective layer. Don't forget about the interior. Vacuum the carpets and seats. Clean the dashboard and windows. A clean car is a more pleasant place to be. Section 7. Enjoy the ride. Reaping the rewards of preventive maintenance. Taking care of your car might seem like a chore, but trust me, it's worth it. Preventive maintenance offers peace of mind. You'll have fewer breakdowns. You'll save money on costly repairs, and you'll extend the life of your car. It's a win-win situation. Remember, a little effort goes a long way. By following these tips, you can keep your car running smoothly for years to come. Enjoy the ride.